Our discovery to install design process is an organized, client-driven plan that delivers custom-made solutions for full-service turnkey projects. At Paulina Karkash Studio, we know that you want to design your dream home. In order to do that, you need a design that reflects your personality and your story. The problem is that it takes a lot of time, the right vision, and the right team, which makes you feel really overwhelmed. We believe good design will impact the way you feel, and we want all of our clients to feel happy and at peace when they walk through the door. Here's how we do it. Step 1. We start the onboarding process. This step helps us understand your goals and your ideals. Step 2. Discover, design, develop. We go to work. Our team has the skills and experience to manage every aspect of your home design project, making the process efficient and enjoyable. Step 3. Purchasing and installation. During this step, my team will have all furnishings and final items delivered and installed. We will curate every detail and provide a turnkey finished space. So, schedule a discovery call. It's time to stop hating what your home looks like and instead live in a home you love.